Welcome back to English Podcast Academy.
Hello, everyone. I am Noah.
And I am Clara, and today we are at home.
At home, in the evening.
The evening is the time after work or school, before you go to sleep.
Usually from around 6 o'clock until 10 or 11 at night.
And if the speed feels too fast, tap the settings icon at the bottom right of your screen. You can slow it down anytime.
Okay, it is 7 o'clock in the evening. I just arrived home.
Just arrived means you came home a short time ago, very recently.
I open the door. I step inside.
Step inside means you walk into your home.
I take off my shoes. I put them near the door.
Take off means to remove something you are wearing. You take off your shoes, your coat, your jacket.
I take off my coat too. I hang it on the hook.
A hook is a small curved piece of metal or wood on the wall. You hang things on it.
Hang means to put something on a hook or hanger so it stays up.
I feel relieved. Relieved means relaxed and happy because something difficult is over.
The day is finished. I am home now.
I love this feeling. The end of the day. The door is closed. The world is outside.
And I am inside. Safe, comfortable.
Comfortable means feeling good, relaxed, no pain or stress.
First thing I do, I change my clothes.
Change your clothes means take off your work clothes and put on something more comfortable.
I put on my pajamas, or sometimes just comfortable trousers and a soft jumper.
A jumper is a warm top you pull over your head, also called a sweater.
I feel much better after changing.
Me too. Work clothes feel different from home clothes.
More free, more relaxed.
Then I go to the kitchen.
The kitchen again.
Always the kitchen. I am a little hungry.
Hungry means you need to eat. Your stomach is empty.
I look in the fridge. A fridge is a cold machine where you keep food fresh.
I can see some vegetables, some cheese, some leftovers.
Leftovers are food from a previous meal, food you cooked before and kept for later.
I like leftovers. They are easy. No cooking needed.
I heat them up. Heat up means to make food warm again using a microwave or a pan.
A microwave is a small machine in the kitchen. It heats food very quickly.
3 minutes in the microwave, and dinner is ready.
Dinner is the main meal of the evening.
I sit at the kitchen table. I eat slowly.
No phone while eating. I try not to look at my phone during meals.
That is a good habit. A habit is something you do regularly without thinking.
I focus on the food, on the taste, on the quiet.
Focus means to give all your attention to one thing.
After dinner, I wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes means to clean the plates, glasses, and cutlery after eating.
Cutlery is the knives, forks, and spoons you use to eat.
I wash everything, I dry everything, I put everything away.
Put away means to return things to their correct place.
The kitchen is clean. I feel satisfied.
Satisfied means happy because something is done well.
Now, time to relax. Relax means to rest, to stop working, to feel calm.
I go to the living room. The living room is the main room in a home for relaxing and spending time.
I sit on the sofa. A sofa is a long, comfortable seat for 2 or 3 people.
I turn on the television, or sometimes I read a book.
It depends on how tired I am.
Depends means it changes based on the situation.
If I am very tired, television. Easy. Passive.
Passive means you receive something without effort. You just watch.
If I have more energy, I read.
Reading needs more concentration. Concentration means focused mental effort.
I like to read in the evening. It helps me relax before sleep.
Me too. My brain slows down when I read.
Slows down means becomes quieter, less busy, less active.
Around 9:30, I start getting ready for bed.
Getting ready for bed means doing everything you need to do before sleeping.
I brush my teeth. I wash my face.
I take a shower sometimes. A shower is standing under running warm water to clean your body.
A warm shower in the evening is very relaxing.
Very relaxing. And it helps your body know sleep is coming soon.
I put on my pajamas. Pajamas are soft, comfortable clothes you wear in bed.
I get into bed. Get into bed means you lie down under the covers.
Covers are the sheets and blankets on your bed. They keep you warm.
I read for a few minutes, just a few pages.
Then I put down the book. I turn off the light.
Turn off means to stop something working. Turn off the light, turn off the television.
The room is dark. Dark means no light.
I close my eyes.
And I sleep.
Just like that.
Just like that. The end of the day.
Let's review the vocabulary from today.
To take off. To remove something you are wearing.
Relieved, relaxed and happy because something difficult is over.
Leftovers. Food from a previous meal kept for later.
To heat up, to make food warm again.
A habit. Something you do regularly without thinking.
To focus, to give all your attention to one thing.
Satisfied. Happy because something is done well.
To relax, to rest and feel calm.
Passive. Receiving something without effort.
To slow down, to become quieter and less active.
Covers. The sheets and blankets on your bed.
To turn off, to stop something working. Your challenge for today. What do you usually do in the evening? Write one sentence in English in the comments. For example, in the evening, I watch television and drink tea. Or, I usually read a book before I go to sleep.
We read every single comment. Write yours now.
If this episode helped you, please give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Ring the bell. New episode every single day. We are here for you. This was English Podcast Academy. I am Clara.
And I am Noah.
Good evening, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.